We'll do this side first, the painful side.
Okay.
I'll get you to get a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Good. Amazing. How's that?
Wow.
You moved so well. Amazing.
Wow.
Okay, so let's do that. Scan again. So I'm gonna start from the top here. Okay, any pain when I press here?
No.
No pain. And here?
No.
So remember this tension here? Gone. Completely gone.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Good.
Even here, Rachel, when I was pressing before, it was so tight.
Yes.
It feels
I felt
way
the,
better.
I felt the pressure when you pushed it right there.
Yeah, way better.
It's gone.
Yay, okay.